Welcome to the Symetrix SimMu Integrator Series Basic Training Course, Chapter 1, an overview of the Integrator Series. To start the course, we will review the hardware and software options available in the Integrator Series from Symetrix. After completing this chapter, you should be able to describe the basic features and capabilities of the Zone Mix 761, describe the basic features and capabilities of the Jupiter DSP in each of its 3 I/O configurations, recognize difference between the 2 devices and Jupiter models, reflect on specific use cases for each of the platforms. The Integrator Series offers complete zone mixing, paging, and background music management solutions. The products have been designed specifically to save integrators time and use optimized control software, which is installed on a Windows PC. Connecting to DSPs in the Integrator Series is accomplished either over Ethernet or by Wi-Fi. The Integrator Series includes 2 different DSPs, each of which we will discuss in detail in this chapter. Both products, their accessories, and control software offer turnkey development that is best suited for small and mid-sized venues needing high-quality AV even when fewer technical resources may be available.